Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I have a iPhone 8 Plus 256 gigs running iOS 12.3.2, and I went ahead and backed that up because I purchased a iPhone XS Max that's running off of 12.3.1. Now the problem I'm having with restoring the backup from the iPhone 8 Plus to the iPhone XS Max is what I'm going to talk to you guys about. So this is what my iPhone 8 Plus looks in iTunes. So as you can see on the top right, it's running off of 12.3.2, and if I go ahead and check for update, I get a prompt saying this is the latest version that's available. So I go ahead and plug my iPhone XS Max and try to restore the backup from the iPhone 8 Plus, and I get this prompt saying the backup cannot be restored because the software is too old. iPhone XS Max is running off of 12.3.1, and the 8 Plus is running off of 12.3.2. So this is the way to go ahead and fix that. So there are two methods to go ahead and do this. The first method would be if you backed up your iPhone 8 Plus using iTunes. If you did that, go ahead and navigate to the path that's shown above. This path is for Windows users. For Mac users, I'll go ahead and paste the link in the description below. And I'll also go ahead and paste all the relevant links that would be necessary to this video in the comment section below. So inside Notepad, just go ahead and click inside the body and hit Control F for Windows and Command F for Macs. This is going to be the same process for Macs. The only difference is the location where the backup is, and I'll go ahead and paste that location in the description below. So in the Find Watch section, go ahead and just type in 12.3.2, which is the iOS version number, and click Find Next. If you have your direction facing up, you want to click down and just hit Find Next. Now it brings you to the backup information and the string. This is all we are going to change. Do not change anything else, or else you're going to mess up that backup. So I'm just going to change 3 to 2 to the number 1. And once that's done, hit cancel and hit file, save. Done. Once this whole process is done, go ahead and close the folder, and I'll show you what to do next. The next process is pretty simple. Just go ahead and plug in your iPhone XS Max or iPhone XS into iTunes and just hit restore as you would do any other of your iOS devices, and it should go ahead and restore your backup from iPhone 8 Plus that had version 12.3.2, which we went ahead and relabeled to 12.3.1, to your new iOS device. Now that's the first method. I'll go ahead and show you how to. So this is the second method. So if you went ahead and backed up your iPhone 8 Plus to iCloud, this is how you'd go ahead and restore that backup from iCloud to your brand new iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. So navigate to this beta.apple.com in your brand new iOS device. So meaning your iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. Go to Safari and navigate to that website. I'll go ahead and paste that link in the description below. Now, if you do not have a Apple beta software program account, all you have to do is just sign up. It's free. Once you sign up and sign in, it takes you to the page where you can download a link, which is what I'll go ahead and demo in a few minutes. So go ahead and copy and paste that link in Safari on your iOS device, which is the iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max, and log in if you have a login. If you don't sign up, it's going to bring you to this page. Scroll all the way down, click on download profile or download profile here. It's going to ask you if you want to allow it. So hit allow, and it says which device. So choose iPhone, click close, go to your settings, go to general, scroll down, look for profiles, click on iOS 12 software beta and hit install on the top right hand portion. So there you have it, folks. That's a way to restore a backup from an iPhone 8 Plus with 12.3.2 to an iPhone XS or XS Max with 12.3.1. Currently, until Apple updates their software. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video so you can help somebody else. Thank you.